Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. Dear subscribers, my today's video is about very beautiful, very stylish and very traditional and in the fashion latest trend and hit quote and all-time favorite embroidery style, that is Gujarati jamar, Sindhi embroidery, or you can see it as kutch work. So there are different names for a one embroidery stitch or embroidery pattern. And my today's video is about very beautiful, very stylish, classy and elegant collection of Sindhi embroidery designs. Kutch work based very beautiful borders, all over designs, jal style kurtis, blouses of sari, lehenga, frocks, maxis, shirts. I hope friends that you would like this entire collection and don't go anywhere. Be patient. My today's video is a bit longer than my normal and casual videos, but I assure you that from my today's video you will get very amazing, stylish and mesmerizing ideas about how you can design your dresses from a traditional point of view, from a very beautiful handcrafted and traditional style handmade dresses. Friends, these are very beautifully crafted designs and they are all inspired from highly paid design ideas. But the purpose of my sharing these designs with you is to share some beautifully crafted and very amazing ideas that you can design your own dresses by sitting into your homes at a very low and affordable price. As you could see that along with this Sindhi kutch work, very beautiful, very decent and elegant mirror work has been done, because mirror work is a very recent and trending hand art, specially used for designing women dresses. As you could see, there are different designs based on the kutch work, and these different design patterns include necklines, very beautiful, decent and elegant necklines, sleeves, sleeve borders, sleeve motifs, back motifs, deep round necks, some very beautifully crafted borders, along with some beautiful heavy floral bunches that could be used as an all over design. Friends, don't go anywhere, watch the video till end. I assure you that you will get very cool, amazing and trendy ideas. And my this video collection is absolutely for hand embroidery lovers. On my channel you can get very beautiful, classy, stylish and amazing ideas related to women fashion, and you can get a wide variety of design ideas. If you want to get some creative and crazy, stylish, trendy ideas related to women fashion like dresses, everyday dresses, casual dresses, party wear, formal dresses, office going, then you have to subscribe my channel, because you would regret if you not subscribe my channel. Because on my channel I not only share or present some designs, but with the designs I give you very pretty DIY creative ideas. And also when we talk about handwork, art like hand embroidery, fabric paint, hand painting, then you can also get very stylish, very easy step-by-step detailed tutorials on how you can make embroidery stitches, how you can make face masks, beautiful by using embroidery, and how you can start fabric painting. I have shared a number of tutorials on how you can crochet and make laces onto your dresses. Very easy, step by step, detailed beginners tutorials have been shared. So, for the ease of my subscribers, I have categorized and divided the fashion designing content into different playlists on the basis of categories. If you want to get creative ideas related to hand embroidery, then specifically go to the playlist hand embroidery. And if you want to get creative ideas related to silk ribbon embroidery, go to ribbon work designs and tutorials playlist. And similarly, for handbags, there is a separate playlist for footwear, for baby footwears, for baby dress designing, for home decor ideas, for bed sheets, for nail art, for cosmetics, beauty products, for original gemstones and their horoscopic point of view, for very beautiful designs of henna, mehndi, for bridals, for different occasions, and some creative and useful jewelry designs of gold, silver, diamond, and platinum embedded with original gemstones. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So allow me to leave, don't go anywhere, watch the video till end. You will absolutely get creative and amazing ideas, and we will soon be back with you along with some new creative beautiful design ideas to entertain you, to give you new ideas, to keep you updated in the world of fashion. So thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family, and help them to achieve their desired goals. Because at the end, we have to act as very, very beautiful human beings above anything else in the world. So stay blessed, stay tuned. We will soon be back with a new video.